Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading, and this is a free video for Wednesday, March 18th. So we're looking at the markets today. They are down pretty much across the board because of the higher than expected PPI number, and the market is a little worried. We're also going to get the FOMC announcement here in a little more than an hour. But I wanted to highlight this particular stock. This is AMD. AMD had been falling sharply and started to bounce about 3 days ago. And today, in light of a weak market, AMD is significantly higher by 1.8%. So I think we have a little bit of a trade opportunity here based on this move. Again, we hit 50% already. I think we have a really good chance to continue higher up into this 200 and 202 level. I know it's a relatively small move, but if you're using call options or even a call debit spread, there is some opportunity there, especially if the market turns around because of FOMC either this afternoon or tomorrow. I think AMD can continue to push higher. So 202, 205 would be the next level, and all the way up to 209. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone.